So, we're supposed to be getting really hard storms today, like scary hard actually, like chance of tornado storms. Although I think we're in the lower level of it, so probably not going to be an issue. But I wanted to just vlog a little bit during it because it looks like it's going to be starting up soon. I'm hearing little rolls of thunder, and it's been getting steadily darker over the day. There's some thunder. It used to be a really nice sunny day out this morning, and now here comes the rain. I'm literally watching it start. Here. See, I live on a river, which is a nice thing. You can see all the rain on the river. Ooh, this is gonna be exciting. I might just actually set this on a tripod and watch it roll through, see what happens. And that's what I was waiting for. The power. Hey, the power just went out.
That one scared
like 2
me.
seconds ago.
That one scared me.
I was doing time-lapse footage of the rain coming in, and I'm like, power's gonna go out.
I just stepped out of my truck and I saw that flash and I heard the boom and oh man. Hey, you got a package?
Ooh, yay! Power's back on. And like that, it's over, apparently. We'll see if we get any more. I wouldn't be surprised. But that's cool.